स्टार्ट करने Yeah, I finally made it to your wedding. Yay! This one is our traditional GSB Perduke Kankan, that is Karimani bangle. Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Do follow me for all daily vlogs and all content like these. Where am I going wearing all this jewelry, getting ready like this with so much bangles? It's my cousin's wedding today. It's my cousin Suraksha Kamath who's getting married today here in Mulki. Me and she are just 6 months apart, and we've been best friends more than cousins from very young age. And very happy for Suraksha and Pavan who are getting married today. Yeah. Hey yo, so this is my outfit of the day. This is the sari of the day. Please hit that like button to tell me how did you like the sari. So I am a South Indian who's a GSB Konkani who comes from Udupi. So this is our side of GSB Konkani wedding, and I'll try to show you all of that today. There's a lot of surprise in the video, and don't forget to watch it till the end. This is my sari from my Gurbini Javan. That is my baby shower. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link in the I button. You can watch it. And these are my gold bangles. This, this, this. This is from Jos Alukas. This one is our traditional GSB Perduke Kankan. That is Karimani bangles, what you call. These are from Hyderabad. And this is Motia Kankan, pearl bangle. This is my normal daily wear bangle. This is a beautiful 5th month ceremony which my mother put. This is that gold bangle, and this is which we bought long back, gold bangle from Jos Alukas. So this is the replicas, the same on the other side with one bangle missing. And we arrived at the wedding venue. This is happening at Narasimha Kripa Mulki. And there is a Narasimha temple here in Mulki which is very famous. This is a tradition in our GSB Konkani weddings called Vara Puja. Here, the bride's elder sister who is married is done puja along with her husband. So that's me and Guruji sitting with the baby. The baby is extremely cranky and she's crying very heavily. Here, mine and Guruji's feet is washed, and then they give haldi and kumkum to me, and ganda, that is sandalwood paste, is applied on the boy's face. I will continue to hide my baby's face from all social media. This is my choice, and I hope you will all respect that. Thank you so much. When others' babies used to cry during function, I used to think why these parents can't manage it. And after I had my own baby, I came to know the struggle. I'm sorry, parents. And then gifts are given to the bride's sister, her husband, and the baby. Varapuja is done to the bride's married elder sister. Also, father's sister is also we call akka. It's like Anna Baini akka, tu makkanakka. No, no. So, अन्नाल बहिणी का यहाँ पूज करता जी. And let me introduce you to my very beautiful cousin Suraksha Kamath, who's looking a little extra gorgeous today. Suraksha. The bride is waiting for her mamas to bring her to the mandap. So in our GSB Konkani community, During the marriage, the mama walks the bride to the mantap. May I have your attention, please? If you're watching the video without hitting that like button, what are you even doing? Please hit that like button. And this is the moment Suraksha, the bride, is walking down the aisle with her mama. Wait, hang in there. Did I just capture an emotional moment? Did I capture Suraksha crying? Yes, Suraksha was emotional, and seeing her, we also felt very emotional. And after bringing to this stage, this is the Mala Dharana, that is the Varmala Pehnana. Pavan Babaji is trying his level best to cheer Suraksha up and make sure that she's not crying. Also, another thing, seeing Suraksha getting married gave me a flashback of my marriage. Does this happen to you guys too? Do you attend others' marriage and then get flashbacks of your own marriage? Tell me in the comments, or I'm the only one who goes through this. And here are some pictures with my brother Jayant, Ganesh Kamath, and Arun Kamath. And this was the wedding breakfast. There was chips, there was masala dosa, there was vegetable bonda, gulab jamun, and chutney. And here are my father's cousins, Miguel Annale Bahini Akkas. There is Vanita Akka, Vanita Nayak, and in the frame there is Pemat Akka, Dr. Premlata V, and many more cousins and relatives. And it felt very nice meeting all of them. This ritual in our Konkani GSB wedding is called Var Ubban Divche. This is done by the bride's mama and mami, where they literally have to lift the bride and the groom. So yeah, this is one of the rituals that happens in our weddings. Our GSB Konkani weddings are very long with lots and lots of rituals. It begins around 7 in the morning and goes till 3 in the afternoon. So that's how our GSB Konkani weddings are. This is my aunt Vandana Nayak, my cousin Kirtana, Ganesh mom, and this is Voderbettu Bhaskar Kamath family standing in queue to get a family picture clicked. In our family weddings, the most important thing that we forget is to click family pictures. Full family photo is always missing, and this time we made sure we all go to the stage together to get it clicked. And then the best part about clicking family pictures is somebody will not be present on the stage, and then you end up shouting and calling their names, and the entire wedding hall comes to know that you're trying to get a family picture clicked and somebody is missing. Does this also happen in your case? Does this happen in your house too? Let me know in the comments. And that's my little one, my Gayatri, who's a little cranky. She doesn't like functions. That's Suraksha after a sari change. She's looking very beautiful. Happy married life to Suraksha and Pavan Babaji. Vlog start कर Yeah, I finally made it to your wedding. Yay!
Thanks for coming.
Happy married life,
Thank you so
Suraksha.
much. Thank you.
Yay! Our GSB Konkani weddings are made with lot of rituals, and the bride changes lots of saris, and there's lot of good food. That's Nityananda Shanai Mamu, who sings very melodious. I'm sorry I can't put the song because it's copyright. Yep, that's me thinking, oh, I'm looking so good, but also thinking, yabba, gara kedan vachaba, gara vachunia kedan kaan uddo yamun jattas. Ek pati tond dhunu, nighty galar jeev ettaba. The translation is me wondering that when will I go home, wash my face, and wear my home clothes nighty, and that's only when I'll get relief. As much as I love dressing up, the feeling of going home, removing your makeup, your hairstyle, and the sari, and just wearing home clothes is so comfort. So yeah, the best part of every function, the food. There is adgai, there is bibba tendla upkari, there is chanangashi with kadgi. This is veg biryani, and there was vegetable salad, raita with it, which tasted very yummy. And then there was rice, saru, dalitoya, which is GSB kuldevu, which I forgot to capture. And then there is this vermicelli paisa. And then this ritual of GSB Konkani wedding is called Vaina Puja. This puja is performed on Gauri Puja, that is previous day of Ganesh Chaturthi. Coconuts are treated as Ma Parvati. This is Suraksha's elder sister Saujanya, and that's her mother Savita Kamath, who's peeping from the side. So yeah, coming back to Vaina Puja, there's a detailed video of Vaina Puja on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the I button. You can watch it. It's a very beautiful festival. Not all GSB Konkani families follow Vaina Puja. It comes through the family tradition, and only then they follow it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. Please hype my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.